I would like to ask your precious seconds to watch this video on Gauss's divergence theorem from vector integral theorems. Use Gauss's divergence theorem to evaluate the surface integral of x I bar plus y j bar plus z square k bar dot nds, where S is a surface bounded by the cone x square plus y square is equal to z square in the plane z is equal to 4. So here f bar is given as x I bar plus yj bar plus z square into k bar. So according to the Gauss's divergence theorem, we have volume integral of div f bar dot dv is equal to surface integral of f bar dot n into ds. So if you see, I'll find out divergence of f. So divergence of f bar is nothing but I bar into dou by dou x, j bar into dou by dou y plus k bar into dou by dou z of f. What is f x I bar plus y j bar plus z square into k bar? So which is nothing but divergence of f. I dot I is 1, so this will be dou by dou x of x. J bar j is 1, this will be dou by dou y of y, and k dot k is 1, so this will be dou by dou z of z square. So divergence of f bar will be, for x it is 1, for y with respect to y it is 1, for z square it will be 2z. Therefore divergence of f bar is equal to 2 plus 2z, and if I simplify divergence of f, if I take 2 common, it will be 1 plus z. Now how about the limits? So the limit here, it's very clear that x square plus y square is equal to z square. So here it is given as x square plus y square is equal to z square, and z is the plane, z is equal to 4. If I substitute x square plus y square is equal to 4 square, and x square plus y square is equal to 16, and y square is equal to 16 minus x square, and y is equal to 16 minus x square. Therefore z varies from 0 to 4 and y varies from 0 to root over 16 minus x square, and x varies from, so in this case, so x square plus y square is equal to 16. If I keep y is equal to 0, then x square is equal to 16. I'll take x is equal to 4. So x from 0 to 4. If it's a region, we have to take from negative to positive, or else we can take from 0 to 4, 0 to root over 16 minus x square, and 0 to 4 again. So these are the limits, and div f is also ready here as div f is ready as 2 times of 1 plus z. Now I am going to calculate the volume integral of div f bar dot dv. So here volume integral of div f bar dot dv is nothing but div f bar dot dv is nothing but triple integral of div f bar dot dv. So this is the values. So z limit is from, see the z limit is from, the limits are from 0 to 4, z limits are from 0 to 4, y limits are from 0 to root over 16 minus x square, and x limits are from 0 to 4. And now I'll apply each and every limit here and I'll solve. So here it will be divergence of the volume integral of div f bar dot dv will be triple integral of, what is div f? So div f is nothing but 2 times of 1 plus z. So this will be 2 times of 1 plus z into dx dy dz between the limits z is equal to 0 to 4, y is equal to 0 to root over 16 minus x square, and x from 0 to 4. And here if it's a triple integral, then we have to write dx dy and dz. So now I am going to integrate with respect to z first of all. So x will be from 0 to 4, y will be from 0 to root over, that is a 16 minus x square, 2, it's a common thing. Here integral 1 dz is nothing but z, and for z it is z square by 2 of dx dy between the limits 0 to 4. So if I substitute the limits 0 to 4, then what will happen here? So x from 0 to 4 So x from 0 to 4 and y from 0 to root over 16 minus x square. So in place of z, if I substitute 4, then 4 square it is 16 by 2 of dx of dy. So this goes in 8 times. So this is x is equal to 0 to 4. Y varies from 0 to root over 16 minus x square. 2 times of this is 12 dx dy. So this will be 24 times of, if I keep 24 out and if I integrate with respect to this y, then integral y is nothing but y of dx. So between the limits 0 to root over 16 minus x square. So if I substitute that one, 24 times of x is equal to 0 to 4. In place of y, if I substitute the limit here, 16 minus x square of dx. As you can see, that is integral a square minus x square of dx, which is nothing but x by 2 into root over a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a. So using this formula, I'll substitute. So this will be 24 times of x by 2 times of, in place of a square. So a square, in place of a square it is a 16 and a will be 4. If I substitute, what is a square here? That is a 16 minus x square, and again 16 by 2 sine inverse of x by a, it is 4. Between the limits is 0 to 4. So in place of x, I have to substitute 4 here. So this is 24 times of 4 square 16, it will be 0, and if I keep this one, that is a sine inverse of 4 by 4, which is equal to 1. So this will be 24 times of, if I cancel for 8, so this will be of pi by 2. So this is pi by 2, 90 degrees. If I cancel for 4 times, that is 4 4s are 16, 1 9, 96 pi. Therefore our volume integral of div f dv. So using the Gauss's divergence theorem, we got the value of 96 pi. So this is how we have to solve. So instead of doing the surface integral of f bar dot n ds, I have calculated div f dv and I got this value as a 96 pi. So this is how we have to solve. I hope that you will come to have a look at my next video. So keep practicing consistently but not occasionally. We'll see you soon in my upcoming video. Meanwhile, please subscribe to my channel, share it to your friends, and please practice. And these videos are enough for your preparation. And thank you so much.